Your Samsung Galaxy won't turn on, won't charge, and just shows a black screen. It feels like the phone is dead, but in most cases it's not. A few simple steps can bring it back to life in minutes. Let's fix it right now. Before doing anything else, make sure that your charging cable and adapter are working and fine. Try to clean your phone's charging port with a soft brush. Charge the phone for at least 1 hour. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Wipe cache partition. Press and hold on the volume up and power buttons together until you see the Samsung Galaxy logo appear. Then your Android recovery mode will open. Now use the volume up and down button to scroll down and up. Then tap on the power button to OK. Now scroll down to find the Wipe Cache partition using the volume down button. Then tap on the power button to OK. Then select yes and tap OK. And that's it. Now you have to reboot your system to back on. To do that, select Reboot System Now. Then tap OK. It will reboot. Wait for a while. Solution 2. Perform a factory reset. Again, press and hold the volume up and power buttons together until you see the Samsung logo appear. Then your Android recovery mode will open. Now scroll down to find the Wipe Data/Factory Reset using the volume down button. It's located at the top of the Wipe Cache partition. So, now tap on the power button to OK, then select Factory Data Reset. Remember that by doing a factory reset, you will lose all of your data, but it could help you solve this problem. That's a straightforward way to resolve this issue on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and drop a comment below letting me know which method worked for you. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.